Tommy was amazing, mate.
Love you, bro.
Nah, I love you too, bro. We fucking sent it.
MVP, bro. This is the whole reason, like this whole event, it's because of him.
Thank you guys. You guys
Because he decided when he was a kid to pick up a scooter, and everyone's here because of him. So, how about that?
Thank you guys. Love ya.
Oh, you good? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.